thing away now. It's now an older model, you know, this is not the latest. It's got the forged weights on the front. When the 8000 series was introduced, it was well ahead of the office. Of course, it was one of the first tractors to have the power pod. If you give you an power. Normally it does, anyway. Oh. The slogan is nothing runs like a deer, but Peter, well, I don't think he had the right range of gears. That's my choice. My thoughts on that one. Perhaps you have another go later. Well, I don't really nothing solves like a deer, Peter. Well, yes. I was trying to build up the John Deere, you know. Got a bit of a letdown there, really.
Oj, badly bit.
Number one in stone is the USA by far.